Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial series. In today's video, I will guide you through a complete LVM setup process on RHEL8 and RHEL9. This is a fundamental skill for Linux system administrator, especially when preparing data disk for server and enterprises environments. Let's get started. Now, to edit a new hard disk, 8 hard disk, next iSCSI. The example is select iSCSI 60 GB. Next, vision. Okay, sure. Open my virtual machine. Okay. Now the environment overview: OS disk is SDA, new disk is SDB, VG name LVM, the checklist. File system is ext4. File growth is SDB to mounted the data file. Okay. Username is root. Password. Now, pre-check the list. Open the terminal. Okay. Now, type command ls-k. Now, this SDB is new disk. It's 60 GB. Okay. Now, create a PV. Type command pv create /dev SDB. Okay. Now, successfully created. Okay. Type command pvs check. Okay. Now, it's create a VG. Type command VG create data VG /dev /SDB. Okay, successfully. Okay, now VGS check. Okay. Now, okay, 3. Create a LV. Now type command LV create. -L 100% free -N data LV data VG. Okay, this created. Okay, check type command LVS. Okay, right. Okay, now to format as ext4, type command ls-k. Check this. Okay, now to format it SDB, type command mkfs.ext4 -L data underline LV is dv / this. Okay, data VG / data LV. Okay, complete. Now, check. Type command blkid. Oh no, sorry. Type command bracket /dev data VG slash data LV. Now this is SDB UUID. You need to remember, okay? You need use this to mount. Okay. Now copy. Sorry. Now okay. Now to create the data directory, type command mkdir-p slash data. Okay. Mount slash dv slash data vg slash data lv. Mount the data. Okay. Slash data. Okay. Sorry. Copy. Okay. Now type command LSBLK. Okay. Now fine. SDB is mounted the data directory. Okay. Now to configure auto mount, now bin slash etc fstab. Okay. Now edit the line. Paste. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now this is this is SDB mounted slash space slash data. Okay. This is HRT4 defaults. Okay. Sorry. Default. Oh, sorry. Zero. Okay. Now colon WQ. Okay. Cat checklist. Okay. Now unmount data. Okay. Reboot. Verify after reboot. Okay. Login, root, password. Okay. Open terminal. Okay. Type command LSBLK. Now okay. SDB is auto mount. Is mounted the directory data. Okay. Great job. You have just completed a full LVM setup on RHEL8 and RHEL9, starting from a new disk and ending with a floor mounted and persistent data variant. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tutorial series. See you next time.